Fire protection takeoff is repetitive, but the estimating judgment behind it is not. You still need to distinguish mains from branch lines, read riser intent, recognize device types, and decide what the contract documents actually put in your scope. This workflow reduces the marking work while keeping the fire plan visible for every decision. The example starts on the official NYC Health and Hospitals FP 100.00A drawing. Use the device tool to propose countable fire protection symbols, or use the pipe tool to trace an exact route as native geometry. The result stays on the drawing, so you can inspect a head, valve, FDC, standpipe component, main, or branch line in the context where it was found. You review each proposal before it becomes estimating truth. Confirm the symbol, correct the location, adjust the pipe polyline, or reject anything that does not belong. Check notes, details, hydraulic areas, pipe size changes, and riser relationships the same way you do today. The AI proposes, your estimator approves. That review boundary is visible, and it protects the difference between a useful first pass and a finished fire protection estimate. After review, the count or run keeps its source sheet, geometry, quantity, unit, and approval state. That makes it easier to build the commercial layer around the takeoff. You can map devices into assemblies, apply fittings and hangers, account for seismic requirements, separate mains from branch piping, and identify the areas that still need a quote or design clarification. When somebody challenges a count, you can return to the exact mark instead of hunting through a flat export. The supported workflow is deliberately honest about its limits. Device counting and pipe tracing are available here. Schedule reconciliation remains unavailable in this demo, so the system does not pretend that a schedule, riser diagram, and plan have already been resolved. You still check conflicts, specifications, design criteria, exclusions, and applicable code requirements before carrying quantities into material and labor. The return shows up in the working day. Less time goes into clicking every repeated symbol and redrawing every route. More time stays available for coverage gaps, hazard classifications, riser strategy, fitting assumptions, labor productivity, and vendor pricing. Reviewers get a source-linked trail that explains the count and the pipe run without a separate reconstruction exercise. Use this as a disciplined takeoff assistant for the repetitive layer. Keep your fire protection knowledge in control of the assemblies, risks, and final bid.